Hello students, welcome to Crack Grade B online learning platform. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss Finance and Management paper of RBI Grade B 2021 Phase 2 exam, and we have recreated the FM question paper based on the memory based questions from where the questions were taken and how the paragraph based questions are being asked in the exam, so you can get a real experience of the FM paper. Those who have not appeared yet and preparing for the future RBI Grade B exam, so it will be very helpful for them. We have created the question paper, and answer key we will also discuss, and the descriptive questions we will also discuss that were asked in this exam. So let's start from the first question. A paragraph was given, similar paragraph was given. Means blank was there given in place of the words, and the paragraph was given like this, and question was which of the following will replace B and C. Means what will be the in place of B and what will be the in the place of C. So you can easily guess from the options that NECTC and National Electronic Toll Collection and FASTag will replace these B and C, and which of the following will replace A. So that National Electronic Toll Collection System has been developed with the help of National Payment Corporation of India, so NPCI, and this was covered in our study material. If you are our subscriber, then financial inclusion chapter, we have given the similar paragraph also there, and the same paragraph was asked in the exam also. So these were two marker questions. First 20 questions were two markers, and last 10 questions were single marker. So these two questions are covered in financial inclusion chapter. Those who are our subscriber can see in the financial inclusion chapter. Next was this organizational behavior paragraph was given according to Fred Luthans. So OB paragraph was given. This is they don't know from where they have taken it. This is not available in the standard books that are being read for the RBI Grade B exam. So it was you can that this PDF we will share in our Telegram channel, so you can get from there. According to Fred Luthans, organizational behavior is directly concerned with the understanding, production, and control of human behavior in organization. And blank fill in the blank were given in the paragraph like this. So and this is also blank. This was not given in the paragraph. Social system was not there. So it was like this. So first question was OB draws or organizational behavior draws from other discipline to create a unique field. For example, when we review topics such as, so there were five options were given. So you have to select one option. That answer was this. For this option is the personality and motivation. The exact paragraph was there in the exam. So you have to study accordingly. That like they used to ask questions in depth. So the word from the paragraph they are asking. So it was little bit difficult. This question was considered as difficult. Next question, the topic of team process relies heavily on the field of sociology, and this also taken from this question from this line. And next this last question from this paragraph, organization behavior is a study and application of knowledge about how people, individual and group act in organization. It does this by taking a system approach, that is it interprets people organization relationship in terms of the whole person, whole group, whole organization, and the whole social system is the right answer. So these three questions were considered as difficult because the paragraph is question, but question were asked in depth, and so these three questions were very difficult. And those who have tried to attempt had most of the students have marked it wrong. Next paragraph was given like this. It White Circular dated November 2018 introduced the use of Dash as an additional payment mechanism for retail individual investor, along with the timeline for listing within 6 days of closure of issue. So this was related to the additional payment mechanism. Those who are reading newspaper and those who are aware with the recent news, and that UPI was the Unified Payment Interface, was the additional payment mechanism for the IPO payment was. And with the help of option you can also get an idea what was being referred in the paragraph. So first they asked for the which of the following will replace A and C. Like question may vary from the exact questions that were asked, but was given like this only. And CB and ASB was the right answer for the application supported by block amount as an additional payment mechanism with applications supported by blocked amount for retail individual. And which of the following will replace B? So UPI as an additional payment mechanism. Which of the following will replace D? Investor may submit the bid cum application form to the self-certified syndicate banks as the sole mechanism, with application supported by blocked amount as the sole mechanism for making payment. So SCSB. These are covered in the primary market chapter. And this is in organization justice, production outputs aligned with compensation. Equity theory, you can read from equity theory of motivation. In that also given input output are linked with different type of rewards. So next question, during merger and acquisition, which of the following are relevant to change management? This is given in the organization change content. From there it is this question is not directly covered, but indirectly it is covered. If you have read the concept, you can answer that during merger and acquisition, which of the following are relevant to change management? Digital transformation, smooth transition, restructuring. All of the above, as per the students feedback, all of the above is the right answer for this question. Next was, which of the following is second stage in change model? You may have studied this unfreeze, change, and freeze. Similarly, we have covered this in also the organization change chapter. Unfreeze, change, and freeze. So these three stages are there. The second one is change. You have to mark this option. So correct answer is change. Next question, low employee turnover is generally indicative of commitment to the organization. There are 5 options, so we are not aware about the other option. So based on the major feedback, this commitment is the right answer for this question. Next question was easy question. Which of the following is a regulator of capital market? It can be easily answered, and we have covered in secondary market. Next question also, which of the following are depositories? 5 options were there, so correct option was this is also covered in secondary market. You can easily answer. Next question was asked that company X has a share price of rupees 800 and Y has a share price of 600. Which of the following is true? 5 options were there, so you have to select one option, but we are not able to collect the option. So what was the exact question that was asked in the exam? So we are not aware. So those who appeared in the exam can. There were some options student told us, like dividend payout related. Some option was there, and some PE ratio, and one book value related concept was given. So what were the exact options? So we are not aware. Next question, this paragraph was given, similar paragraph was given in the exam. Government has approved the for building national highways to speed up the construction of road in the country by renewing interest of private developers in the highway projects. Dash percent of the project cost is to be provided by the government as construction support during the construction period, and the balance as annuity payments over the operation period, along with interest thereon to the concessionaire. The objective is to maximize. So this paragraph was asked in the exam. So with the help of the questions, you can easily answer that. And this line also states this one, that percentage of the project cost is to be provided by the government, and rest is to be paid as annuity payments. So this, if you have read this concept, that is hybrid annuity model, then you can easily answer this question. And 40 and 60% is the 40% initially paid by the government, and rest 60% they pay over the as annuity payments. They pay as annuity payments. Initially that company has, the private player has to pay, but government will pay this balance amount as annuity payments over the period. So this is covered in alternate source of financing chapter in our content. Alternate source of financing, hybrid annuity model is covered in that. So both questions, those who have studied our content can easily answer these questions, have easily answered. Next question, this paragraph was given, and this is paragraph is taken from the PIB, and it is the old news since I think in 2018 or so. They are related, they make this question specifically for the communication, and they ask the question, Basantra will remove which of the following barrier of communication. So linguistic barrier, language related barrier. So it was an easy question, you can easily guess if you have if you know the basic concept of communication. And next it was asked, it is a desktop software for converting scanned printed Indian language document into a fully editable text format in Unicode encoding. So EXN is the right answer. This you can answer if you have read a communication chapter and practice MCQs of communication. This national level mission focusing on local language translation will provide big boost to regional language initiative. This was announced with budget. So national language translation mission. So it is covered in budget. This is also covered in communication. In Johari window model, next question was one marker question. So Johari window model, self knows information but others do not know about it, is referred as hidden self. Which of the following is a process theory of motivation? It is also covered in the our management content. That chapter name is transactional analysis and Johari window. Next is the process theory of motivation, that is called Vroom's expectancy theory. This is also covered in the motivation. This perceptual error are also referred as stereotyping error. This is not covered. Communication is hierarchical. These exact options are not known to us. Maximum public-private partnership in which sector? So infrastructure. This is also in that chapter, alternate source of financing. If you will read, you can this answer with the common, using common sense also. That, and if you are reading the newspapers and you are you can easily answer this question, that infrastructure is the sector in which maximum public-private partnership government is allowing. Next question, currently what percent of FDI is allowed in PSU bank under the government approval route? Private banks have a higher FDI cap at what percent, provide there is no change of control and management. RBI regulation do not permit a single entity to invest more than dash percent in a bank. So these we have got in the finance MCQ also, finance content also. A chapter exact we are not able to recollect, but we have shared a 100 top 100 MCQs for finance in that PDF also. We have covered this, that was shared in our Telegram channel also, and that is 20, 74 and 10 is the right answer. Which of the following is our example of revenue expenditure? So there were three options were given, then you have to select one and two, all three, only one, only two, only three. There were options like this. So which of the following is our example of revenue expenditure? Interest payment and subsidies are the right answer. This is also covered in the budget document. If you will go through the budget highlights, then you will find that the revenue expenditure breakup is given. So you can answer. If you have studied the revenue expenditure concept, then you can also answer this question. And those who have not studied any concept, but they have, if they have studied our budget document, then also there we have given the breakup of the revenue expenditure, what are the covered and what are not covered under the revenue expenditure. This usually refers to live testing of new products or services in a controlled test regulatory environment for which regulators may permit certain regulatory reactions to the limited purpose of testing. The Reserve Bank had announced opening of the first dash under this. Which of the following replace A and B? Regulatory sandbox and cohort will be the right answer. This is covered in the finance and banking current affairs. Semantic barriers. There sometimes mistakes may carry in if a translator who is not proficient in both languages involved in translating the communication. That is called semantic barrier. It is covered in, if you have studied the communication and specifically the MCQs on communication. And last question was, which of the following is true? NBFCs are regulated by RBI. Equity market are regulated by SEBI. Commodity market are regulated by SEBI. All of the above are true. So all of the above true was the right answer for this question. So this is also covered by us in our content. So 1, 2, 3, this one, 4, 5, 6. This one you can, it is directly not covered, or indirectly it is covered. So total questions are 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 marks, 10 marks, 12 marks, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and for 36 approximate. 36 marks is directly covered from our content, and these 3 questions, 6 marks were not covered. These 3, 4, 5, 6, and one question, this one, low employee turnover, 8. This one, exact question are not known, so 10, and this one, EXRIAN is not covered, 12, and 2, this question, stereotyping error, and this process theory of motivation exactly directly is not covered, so we are not covering. So the 36 out of 50 is covered, and in descriptive, all the questions you can answer from our content. This behavioral reinforcement and positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement, transformational and transactional leadership. So approximate 86 marks are directly covered in our content. The PDF we will share in our social media platforms of all these questions. And currently we are providing an award grade A course and grade B course. You can subscribe our content from our website, and these are our courses. Thank you and happy learning.